McKenzie Terraces is doing extremely well. It's a testament to the team that we have running the site and the management behind the scenes. McKenzie, well, in a post-COVID-19 environment, we've managed to achieve effectively 80% to 90% efficiency after day 2 of alert level 3, which has meant we have mitigated the majority of the delay, excluding lockdown, for that project. And generally speaking, the efficiencies that we sought from concept all the way through at our various benchmarking stages has come to fruition, that the panelised and the structure that our ops manager came up with for that job has been proven to be, I would say, industry changing, because we are just adapting what is standard in the industry and making it better. And from a post-COVID-19 viewpoint, we are exactly the same as our construction completion date without the 4 weeks lockdown.